My video editing software is currently hanging and freezing, as you can see on my screen. This software is quite resource demanding, which can lead to lagging issues. To address this problem, I will free up space and potentially improve the performance of my Windows 11 device. In this tutorial, I will guide you through various methods for clearing memory space on a Windows 11 PC, including utilizing storage sense, employing the disk cleanup tool, removing unnecessary applications, managing File Explorer files, and clearing the browser cache. Let's begin the tutorial. Strategy number 1. Windows 11 comes with a built-in feature called Storage Sense that can automatically free up space by eliminating unneeded files. To enable it, go to Settings, then System and select Storage. Here, activate Storage Sense. Optionally, you can also use the Cleanup Recommendation option to remove unnecessary downloads or empty the recycle bin, which I'll explain in the next step. Strategy number 2. Use the Disk Cleanup tool to delete system files you no longer need. Select the Start menu and search for Disk Cleanup, and launch the app. You can choose any drive to clean, but the SSD-C drive is the most important for freeing up space. I will select the C drive and click OK. In the pop-up, some options like Recycle Bin are pre-selected, but you can also select temporary files and then hit the OK button. Instead, I will choose the Clean Up System Files option. In the next dialog box, I will keep the C drive selected and click OK. The Disk Cleanup tool will calculate how much space can be safely freed up. Here you can select folders to delete unnecessary files. Click OK and then choose the Delete Files button. The Disk Cleanup tool will begin removing unnecessary files from your computer, including device drivers, downloaded programs, temporary files, and items in the recycle bin. Strategy number 3. Disable and uninstall unnecessary apps. To disable startup apps, click the Start menu, go to Settings, then Apps. Find and select the Startup option. From the list, keep the apps you regularly use toggled on and remove those you don't need. For instance, I will toggle off the app because I manually upload files to OneDrive, and since I no longer use the Upwork time tracker, I will disable that as well. Next, return to the app's main menu and select the Installed Apps option. Review the list of installed programs and uninstall any applications you no longer need. I noticed that the Adobe apps are consuming too much memory. You can check diazro.com for my genuine reviews of the top 5 video editing software to understand why I no longer use Adobe products. Therefore, I will navigate to the 3-dot menu and uninstall each Adobe app. Unfortunately, Adobe makes the uninstallation process cumbersome, as these apps can only be removed through the Creative Cloud app. In Creative Cloud Desktop, select the Apps folder, hover over a program like Adobe Photoshop, and choose the 3-dot menu to uninstall it. While it may show a long waiting message, don't worry. Uninstall the apps and stay busy with your work. After a few minutes, restart your PC, and the Adobe program will have been removed. Strategy number 4. Manage File Explorer files. Using File Explorer, right-click on files and consider storing them on a cloud service like Google Drive or Microsoft OneDrive. After moving files to the cloud, you can delete them from File Explorer to free up space on your PC. Additionally, you can identify and manage large files that are consuming space. Right-click in any empty area of a folder and sort files by size. Hovering over a file will display its used memory. Decide which file should be deleted or moved to an external storage to free up your PC's memory. Strategy number 5. Clear browser cache. Browsers accumulate cache files over time, which can take up memory. To clear this, open a browser like Google Chrome or Microsoft Edge, click the 3-dot menu in the top right, and go to Browser Settings. In the search box, type clear and scroll down. Next to the Clear Browsing Data Now option, click on Choose What to Clear. In the pop-up, avoid selecting saved passwords and autofill data. Instead, delete saved history, cookies, and other cached files. Clearing this data takes a few moments and helps free up your PC's memory. After freeing up memory space, restart your PC. You should notice an improvement in performance. My video editing software is now running smoothly without freezing as I am editing this tutorial video. Visit Dozro's YouTube channel for more tutorials on Windows PC. I hope you found this tutorial helpful. If you did, please consider supporting us by liking this video and subscribing to the Dozro channel.